Now, before I go into what happened today in SpaceX trading, I want to remind you that I did create two videos explaining the new rules. The first one is on the lockup period. The second one is on the fast entry policy, the new one for the NASDAQ 100. You need to check those out. I will have the link in the description below. Okay, let's talk about what happened. Yesterday, SpaceX closed at a little over $192 a share, and this morning opened a little over $200 a share. That's an 8% difference between closed and open, so that's your after hours and pre-market trading. So today, SpaceX closed at 50% above IPO and 35% above first public trade. So what I mean by that is, remember, it IPO'd at $135 a share. That wasn't available to the public. The first public trade was $150 a share. So 50% above IPO, 35% of where retail got it. SpaceX today was trading at a market cap of $3 trillion. That would put it at the number 4 largest company publicly traded by market cap. However, it did pull back by the end of the day and closed at 264, putting it in 6th place, just barely behind Amazon. So if you're curious, first place is Nvidia, second place is Alphabet or Google, third place is Apple, fourth place is Microsoft, fifth place is Amazon, and now 6th is SpaceX. SpaceX announced that it was purchasing Anysphere, which is the parent company of Cursor. Cursor is an AI for code editing. This purchase was valued at $60 billion. Now, SpaceX isn't taking the money that they raised in the IPO and purchasing. This is going to be an all-stock purchase. So they're going to be issuing more SpaceX shares. Now, here's where it's going to get a little more interesting. Anthropic is the parent company of Claude AI. Cursor is the largest customer of Anthropic. And now that SpaceX bought Cursor happens to be the largest customer and one of the largest competitors for Anthropic. And to make this a little more interesting, Anthropic just signed a deal with SpaceX for $1.2 billion a month, $15 billion annually, for access to the computing power across the Colossus data centers owned by SpaceX. Now this is going to be fun to watch. Stay tuned and I'll keep you updated.